Hey peeps, Mr. ATC once again with you for another idea of housing through recycling this time. And I wanted to do a short video for you in order to show you all the pallets we've been collecting so far. So the goal of this video is also asking you to share some ideas with me. In the comments, let me know what you think we can create with all those pallet slots, and I will see what can be made for you. We will be also sharing some 3D plans via the description of each video. So feel free to let us know. Feel free to sign up. Most importantly, feel free to sign up to the links we are sharing with you in the video description. Because with those links, we will be able to send all the 3D plan for you for free. And remember that they are all there for you in order to reproduce and to create your own idea of housing through recycling. And some of you have been also asking to share some pretty nice project for outside in the garden. So we're gonna focus on that. And guess what? Summertime is there. So we're gonna focus on this for you outside in the garden in order to help you to have a very nice time with your family or alone. You never know. On your balcony, for example. Alright, another thing is I wanted to say with you. Some of you have been sending me messages asking if I'm providing trainings. Not yet, but this will come pretty soon. I can assure you. What I can do for now is to share all the ideas via the online platform with you. So feel free to let me know what you think, because as soon as you let me know what you think, I will be able to see what I can do, if I can move in the different countries in order to show you how to create stuff and to do even more. We never know. We will see. I would like to give also a big thanks to the new members in South America, in the US, in Asia. A lot of you are joining us, also in Africa. I was very happy to see that a lot of people in the motherlands are joining us in order to learn and to see the different things we are doing over there. And guys, remember, the goal is also to share ideas. So share with us what you're doing. Show us a little bit how it works for you over there. Share with us how you are recycling, basically. Because the goal of this community is to recycle, show people how to create beautiful stuff out of nothing. Alright? As some of you may have seen, we've been sharing a new type of links for you in the description of each videos. If there is a plan that you would like to use and we are not providing it, send us a message. Send us a message and we will provide it to you via email. I would like to thank you again for all your support. If you like this video, as usual, give us a thumbs up and comment below this video to let us know what you would like to see, as I told you, with all those pallet slots, because believe me, it's very difficult to collect them. Alright, so guys, it's always a pleasure to share those wonderful ideas with you. As you can see, we are sharing since quite some times now. And we will keep on doing that for you in order to give you another idea of housing. That was again Mr. ATC for another idea of housing. And I will see you next time.